Model, 67 plate Land Rover Range Rover Sport hse SVR KIT Sdv6 Auto None Runner 75k miles Euro 6. Body, grey 4x4. Mileage, 75,855. MOT, the 9th of February 2026. Engine, 2993 cc Sdv6 EU6A. Transmission, 4-wheel drive. Mechanical summary: Enginge does not start and won't turn over. Engine has seized grin. This has the SVR front and rear bumpers and other parts on lovely looking vehicle will make an absolute bargain. Grin. Condition summary: bodywork is extremely clean and tidy. You can tell this has been well looked after. Interior is extremely clean and tidy, almost feels brand new. Rear load area looks virtually unused with plenty life in it. Immaculate, well looked after, pride and joy. First to see will definitely buy. Features: 2 former keepers, electric windows, tow bar, reversing camera, 2 keys, cruise control.